4.5 billion years ago, the hot globe was surrounded by a thick layer of its original atmosphere, consisting primarily of hydrogen and helium. These light gases tended to float upwards and so gradually escaped into space. The cooling Earth was subject to violent volcanic eruptions, accompanied by the release of huge amounts of other gases: water vapor, carbon dioxide, ammonia, methane, and sulfur dioxide. At the prevailing high temperatures, ammonia and methane reacted with trace amounts of oxygen, resulting in the formation of a secondary atmosphere, composed chiefly of water vapor, carbon dioxide, and nitrogen. About 3.8 billion years ago, when the Earth's surface cooled down below 100 degrees Celsius, the water vapor condensed to form seas and oceans. Nearly 3 billion years ago, the first primitive life forms developed in the waters: blue-green algae and bacteria. The former began to utilize solar energy to produce nutrients by the process of photosynthesis. As a result, the oxygen content of the atmosphere started to increase. Ultraviolet radiation was harmful to the new living organisms, but it promoted the conversion of some of the oxygen into ozone. Because of this, an ozone layer gradually developed around the Earth, filtering out harmful ultraviolet radiation before it reached the Earth's surface. This made it possible for land plants to appear on the Earth, causing, in turn, a considerable increase in the oxygen content of the atmosphere. At the same time, the proportion of carbon dioxide began to fall because the gas was absorbed by the plants. This plant activity led to the formation of the present atmosphere about 200 million years ago. It has not changed much in all the time since. Today, 4/5 of the atmosphere is nitrogen, 1/5 is oxygen, and the remaining fraction consists of other gases, such as carbon dioxide and water vapor.